Welcome the Focused Life YouTube channel. Stay connected with us to improve your life. Marcus Aurelius, Roman emperor and philosopher, bore immense responsibility. His decisions impacted millions of lives, armies, and entire provinces. Many believe his legendary 4 a.m. wake-up was key to his success, discipline, and unshakable focus amidst the overwhelming demands of the Roman Empire. But his routine wasn't about the specific hour, it was about the intentionality. He aimed to claim time for deep reflection before the day's chaos began. His personal journals, known as meditations, weren't public guides. They were honest, daily records of his mental exercises and self-examination for decades. In Meditations Book 5, Marcus writes, "At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work as a human being." He admitted to struggling, proving that power doesn't make getting out of bed easier. It was about choosing to meet the day prepared, not swept along. Marcus anticipated challenges, knowing he'd encounter meddling, ungrateful, arrogant, dishonest, jealous, and surly people. This was preparation, not cynicism. By premeditating on potential rudeness or trouble, he wasn't surprised. This Stoic practice allowed him to handle such encounters rather than be victimized. He anchored himself in philosophy. This wasn't just a schedule. It was a series of life-affirming practices, setting a virtuous tone for the day. His routine cultivated strength, clarity, and discipline, allowing him to prepare his mind before the world could set its agenda for him. The primary source, Meditations, recorded his inner life focused on preparing character for the day, not optimizing productivity for its own sake. You might not be an emperor, but you are the ruler of your own life. Like Marcus, you need to begin each day with strength. He ruled from 161 to 180 AD, a period of nearly 2 decades of war, plague, political pressure, and personal grief. He led armies into battle, commanding legions through extensive military campaigns to defend the empire's vast borders. Amidst his reign, the devastating Antonine Plague swept through the empire, adding immense societal and personal burdens. Meditations reveal not a man who achieved inner peace, but one who worked toward it daily, deliberately, and honestly. He knew every morning was a choice, whether to be swept along by the day or to meet it prepared. He chose to be prepared. Historians consider Marcus Aurelius the last of the 5 good emperors, highlighting his exemplary rule amidst turmoil. His mornings were more than a routine in the conventional sense. They were mindfulness, preparation for adversity, and focus on duty. A Stoic tenet he applied was distinguishing between what he could control, his reactions, and what he couldn't, external events. His core purpose wasn't just to rule, but to fulfill his role as a human being, embodying virtue and reason. He reminded himself, you could leave life right now. This awareness of mortality fueled his urgency to live purposefully. The first step of his Stoic morning was simply, get up, be alive to the day. It was about setting intention. Focusing solely on the 4 a.m. wake-up misses the true spirit. It wasn't rigid punishment, but disciplined self-preparation. His goal was to build a mind no chaos could break, maintaining unshakable inner peace despite immense external pressures. Stoicism doesn't demand suffering or a strict 4 a.m. wake-up. It's about facing reality with reason, as Marcus himself struggled with his bed. Modern lessons include establishing a deliberate morning routine, philosophically preparing for challenges, and cultivating inner peace. Just as Marcus Aurelius prepared for centuries of demanding rule, you can prepare yourself to meet your own daily challenges. What dragon will you slay by rising with purpose? Will you cultivate your own unshakable mind? Think about how you too can leverage a deliberate morning routine, not for rigid adherence, but for profound influence on your day. What philosophical principles guide your mornings? Share your thoughts and routines in the comments below.